video for homework, okay? So. Okay, hi boys and girls. We are tonight going to talk about division with zeros in the quotient.
Who are you talking to?
So, I'm making a video. So, whenever you, so far what we've talked about is straight up division with facts, like our drill and skill facts. We've talked about division with remainders. We've also talked about division whenever the divisor cannot go into the first digit of the dividend. So now we're going to talk about what happens when there's a zero in my quotient. Remember that quotient means answer, okay? So, for example, let's take a look at the problem. 328 divided by 3. Let's see if you can see that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. $328 divided by 3. So you first, of course, say to yourself, can 3 go into 3? Yes, it can. How many times? 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Find the difference. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we start the process again. Do you remember? You can be doing this right along with me on a piece of paper if you want. Remember how we start the process over again? Except look here. Can 3 go into 0? No, it cannot. So typically we would need to pull down our helper. Our helper is a 2. So let's go ahead and pull him down. But watch what happens when we actually pull him down. We pull him down and we say to ourselves, now, can 3 go into 2? No, it still cannot. And many kids, your first reaction might be, oh, let's pull down the 8. But boys and girls, you need to signify that the 3 could not go into the 2 at all. So this place value was not able to be used, this 2 in the place value. So what you do is you come up to this 2 above this 2 in the tens place value and you put a 0 up there. You ride the multiplication side. 3 times 0 is 0. And you find the difference again. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now you start the process again. Can 3 go into 2? No, it can't. But now we can pull down our helper, Mr. 8. Can 3 go into 28? Yes, it can. How many times without going over? 3 times 9, 27 when you ride the multiplication slide. And the difference is 1. Remember, don't go too fast here. Say to yourself, can 3 go into 1? No, it cannot. Is there anything else to pull down? No, it's not. So my answer is 109, remainder 1. Some of the things I've seen boys and girls doing this week is, number one of the most common things is they don't know, like whenever they figure out how many times does 3 go into 28. They forget to put the digit up at the top at the quotient. Don't forget that, okay? Also, a lot of kids want to not finish the last part of the problem, like 28 minus 27 is 1. They don't want to actually finish it out. They just know in their heads it's a remainder of 1 and they just want to stick a remainder of 1 up there. I want to see you finish it, okay? So we have one more to do. This is going to be a short video tonight. We're going to, oh sorry, it's from class. All right, here we go. Let's do a thousands one. 8,016 divided by 2. You can do this at your home. 8,016 divided by 2. So first step, you say to yourself, can 2 go into 8? Can it? Yes, it can. How many times? That's right, 4 times evenly. Ride the multiplication side. 2 times 4 is 8. Exactly. A lot of you have asked, do I have to draw my arrows every single time? No. At first, it's very helpful to draw the arrows because it's showing you exactly where to put your answer. But if you get comfortable, you don't need to write it anymore. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Can 2 go into 0? No, it can't. 2 people cannot fit into 0 seats. Pull down my helper. Look what my helper is. Ooh, double zeros now. That's not much help. Many kids at this point will go, whoa, I have no idea what to do. Maybe I'll pull down my 1. You're going to get stuck if you do that. You have to signify up top that you were not able to use this place value by putting a 0 up there. Put the 0 up there, continue the process. 0 times 2 is 0. Still getting 0 minus 0, still getting a 0. Now we can pull down our 1. Look what we're still stuck with though, guys. So 2, can 2 go into 1? No, it can't. So we're still stuck here. We still have to put another 0 up there. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. Now, can 2 go into 0? It still cannot. Now we can pull down Mr. 6. I also explained that I really like to see these arrows because it keeps everything nice and neat in place value. So can 2 go into 6? Yes, it can. How many times evenly, everybody? 3 times. 3 times 2, 6 without going over. 6 minus 6 is 0. And you are at the end, 4,003 with no remainder. So tomorrow we're going to practice what do I do when I have a 0 in my quotient, which is the answer. Have a great night. Bye.